What's up, everyone? What's up, Dan? What's that? Let me get everything all set up. All right. Can everyone see my screen? Everyone see it all right? Yeah, perfect. All right, let me start off with BTC. So, I mean, I think most of the ninjas are here anyway, but we all know Thursday is a pullback day, ideally. So, for me, I'm waiting for the fresh POCs below down here. 15, ideally, probably looking for longs 59,500 down to 59,300. I think, to be honest, this is the must hold level for me on BTC. It shows weakness if it can't hold this retest. And like I said, if it can't hold it, I'll be looking for weekly POC down here. What's up, Pock?
Hey, what's up, man?
You good?
Yeah.
Nice. I don't think Bryce is hopping on today.
All right.
So yeah, like I was saying, waiting for this area, pull back for some longs. Probably, I'm looking to sync some Popcat longs with this retest if we get it. Popcat, AVAX, and IO. IO, I like if it gets reclaimed back above here. We had that move this morning from it, but it was just a fake out. So I want to see some clean closures back above this level. Popcat, I'm going to take this if it reclaims, but it hasn't reclaimed yet. I don't know what. Does anyone know why it's moving so much at the moment? Is there any news on it? Listed on Binance. That's not what we want to hear.
Kind of shitty that we got front ran from
Oh, that's
the
not.
stream.
Yeah, but that Pico on BTC from Tuesday was money.
Like it, Sun as well and Rare still in them.
Yeah, re-entered Sun this morning.
Yeah, you did. You played that. Played it twice, right? Yeah, good job.
Yeah, and Alpaca, but Alpaca was a bit of a boring trade.
I was wrong on Sun. I was so wrong. Remember when I was like, you were talking about let's forget about it. We weren't gonna play. I was like, bro, we're gonna look back and we're gonna regret it because we're gonna see that it did a 26% move. No,
Yeah, no,
I was
yeah,
wrong. It did a 75% move from
that
infinity.
is absolutely wild.
Yeah,
Absolutely
I'm playing fib extensions on it now, so we should be good.
nice. Dan says it's like you're inside of a washing machine.
Um, let me see.
Is this one better?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, much
I'm
better.
not. I don't want to bring any sadness or anything into the stream, but I've been up all night. My grandfather passed away last night.
Oh shit! Sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
You jump out. You go. You jump off, man. I'll do the stream.
No, man. This helps.
You
I
sure?
enjoy being. Yeah, I enjoy being here with everybody. Come on, man.
I see. Well, I'm sorry to hear about your granddad.
Appreciate you, brother.
I think there's a lot of people typing at the moment, so I'll wait for them.
Hey, they're sending condolences. I appreciate all of you. Actually,
What else we got? Ethereum bag of shit as usual. Absolute bag of shit. Is anyone short on ETH? Nikita, I
Um,
don't. I don't think that's true. I don't think ETH is going to be the next XRP. ETH is days that is not pretty. Wait, really, Dan? Oh shit, yeah. Maybe tomorrow you'll get a fresh one from here. Which would be kind of juicy. But yeah, for Ethereum, I'm still waiting for this retest down here. I'm assuming people who long Ethereum like 2570 are gonna have their stop losses below the wicks. So I wait for them to take out their stop losses and look to bid that wick
that's
down into here.
yeah, that's where we're gonna add back that 20% that we took.
Yeah. It's kind of boring because I'm
It's
in bottom spot for Ethereum, but it's not moving anymore. 2269. Nice. Nice, Nikito. Take a look at auction.
got some news
Auction.
that went off this morning. Let's see if we can get anything.
Oh my god, what the fuck is this?
Dead, dead.
Wow,
Um,
did any of you catch it?
no, no, that's hard.
I don't think there was any divs.
There's it's the funding is actually uh turning more negative. So I wonder if they're gonna squeeze everyone that's shorting.
Oh, yeah.
But we have a funding set like 2 hours. Um,
Yeah, I think
Cody's coming to a long area.
Cody.
Yeah,
What's Cody?
C COTI.
Oh, Cody. Cody.
Yep. Yeah, it's coming to a buy area.
The volume's picking up on it the past few days.
Yeah, you have a 3 day and a daily at 88.90. I also think you have a 4 hour order block there for
Yeah.
trades OBs.
Yeah.
Wow, what you just drew, is that just like support resistance?
No, this is my little OB cluster. I do it a little bit differently to everyone else. My
Oh,
OB clusters.
there's a OB. There's a 4 hour OB from yesterday.
86. Yeah. 86. I don't really like to use the Lux Algo indicator just because my
No, I
OBs are.
don't. I don't use that one either. If you want like the best order block indicator, it's by JP7FX, the best one.
I think the supply and demand one.
Um,
This one slash
yeah,
order
that
blocks.
yeah that
Yeah.
yeah it's the best one.
Yeah. AVAX Vegata. I think AVAX just had some news, but I wanted this to bid this retest, but it never came. But it's coming up to big resistance for me.
Wow, look at what Ordy did last couple days. Ordy did pretty well. Made a higher high, so we might be able to bid like 29. You can pair that up with BTC.
Yeah, fuck. Wow, drew all these out,
Yeah,
these levels, and they fucking. I need to set more alerts. I only got 91. It's creeping up.
800.
That's wild.
What else we got? I got
Catch.
alert. Oh
What's
shit! I got an
not
alert on
looking at
link. Link to
Dex
short.
12.6.
Feels weird shorting link down here though. Yeah.
I mean, that is a big resistance as well. 12.6.
Yeah, we have and there's so many shorts. Let's see how big this is. So we could short um like 1160 to 12 with a stop loss above like a 5 minute, 15-minute candle closure above 12, cut it. And then after
Yeah,
that, you could
12.
do 1290 to
Wait, let me
1360.
Oh shit! I got the wrong. My POC's wrong.
There's just like 3 potential trades on.
Yeah, yeah. 1252 is the daily, just below. Actually, I like that. The only thing I'm concerned with is Mikel set a buy limit for it. Nikita, yeah, I'm out 75%. Because it was a 2 minute. It was a trade based on a 2 minute time frame, so the stops are pretty tight for it. So I had a big chunk, so I took it off. Bendito, yeah, Ethereum needs to reclaim this level on my chart, or I'm waiting for down here. I did, to be honest, I think we'll get down here. But like I said, I'll chase it if it reclaims. I'm not looking for longs in the middle of these two levels. Render looking good. I don't know. I haven't actually looked at Render since it's rebranded. If you can get above here, who asked for it? Who asked for that? Oh, yeah. If you can get above here, then it'll look even nicer. Just trying to find a good level for it. Get some closure above 516, then it'll look even nicer. But for now, it's a resistance. CRV, I don't really like CRV. I'd prefer to short CRV than long it. Popcat Shelby, I'm looking at this reclaim.
It might be a little too aggressive, but I think we should put I think we should bid Ordi. Super tight though. Maybe that's too aggressive. 29.68 to 28.88.
There's daily at 29.30 area.
There's a 3-day there too.
Shit, I need to update my charts.
Um,
Oh shit, yeah, right at the same place.
you know what? I think we're gonna do this one. Get it today.
Probably get a really tight scalp on it.
Yeah, target like 37. It's like a 24, 25% move.
Yeah, I got 35.5.
Nah, 37.
Yeah, I'm gonna set some alerts.
Acrypt, just hedge it. If there's if we're forming dibs down there, hedge. What I would do if I was in your short. Just open up a long. You could so whatever size that you have in on your short, you can so like just your typical size long that you do, you could add whatever size you have of your short to that long. So now your long will be bigger than your short. Um, once it's in profit, you could remove what that extra that you added. It's like free money, locking in profits.
Whiff, I'm not. There's a lot of resistance above on whiff. Want to see some clean. So I'd probably, if I was playing whiff, I'd probably wait for something like this to happen. It looked a bit there. And I want to see some volume increase in it. Volume's not really there for me at the moment. I feel like this is only moving up because PopCat moved up overnight. What's this mover coin? That's up a lot today. Ooh. Give me another spike up. I'll short it. Can you guys hear the wind? Oh, it's so loud. Yeah, mover. Want another spike up for a short. I think John and that are streaming in 45, so just a short one today.
Okay.
Yeah, what's the percent increase? 12, fuck me, it's a 28% increase. Fuck's sake. I'm gonna set some alerts. ZK. What the fuck? Are you sure that's the right coin, mate? I'm letting it run. Pulls. Also, Mysterian, are you sure this is the right coin? Because something's not right here. What's going on here? Let me go on. I'll go on Binance. Yeah, Binance charts a little better. Yeah, actually looks pretty good, Mysterian.
Paul's. It just depends. I mean, if you're happy with your profits, yeah, but I have like moonbag targets. Here, take a screenshot for you. Those are my moonbag targets.
Yeah, Mysterian. Get some closure above here. That looks really nice. No, let me check on Bybit why the price is like that. I think it's just bugging. But yeah, get some closure above here on 50-minute time frame. Could be nice. I've set my alert for it. Damn, I like those moonbag targets. Fuck, RSR could put in a big move soon. Shit, RSR. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on RSR because I think this could make a big move soon. Let's see. Yeah, it's negative on Bybit as well. Only minus 0.01 though. So I'd actually take that trade if it gets more negative. Ondo, it's a weird one, Ondo. I mean, for now, I'd actually want to see this. If the Yeah, I'd want to see this level get reclaimed on it for now. It looks like, honestly, it looks like it's just rolling over for me. So I'd prefer for that reclaim. Or I bid lower. Uh, 36. What's the price now? All right. Okay. Yeah. So Popcat. Honestly, if it can reclaim this level on the daily, then you can either, there's two things. You can either look to take partial profits of these daily POCs, or if you want to be a bit more greedy, you can look to target these highs up here on it. But I mean, you're in from 36, which is what, like a 40% move?
Yeah.
No, 60% move. So it's at resistance at the moment. So there's no harm in taking some profit off here.
Yeah, just target the highs.
Especially if
67,
memes come back up.
67, 67, and then like $1.
Yeah.
Target those.
Yeah, I'm still in Osteo, just riding a break even. Kaz is back in the range that it's been trading in. So I'd either wait for range breakout or look down here. Look to fill the wick. Or if it loses that, bid range low. But ideally you want to see, especially if we reclaim 62k on the daily, you want to see this range high be broken and you can play that level. Oh my god, my laptop is so hot right now. It's overheating massively.
Did you get the new one? Did you order it?
I haven't ordered it yet. I need to order it. I've been so busy. When I have time to do it, I get distracted by doing something else. I'm gonna actually order it after this stream because it's doing my nutting. Are you asking me about Notcoin or Shelby? Yeah, Nikito, we can swap. You can have mine. Yeah, not looks a bit trash at the moment. I like it if it can reclaim this level, Shelby. But for now, it looks still pretty shit. All right, I'll do that after. I'm going to pin that so I can do that after. Thanks, Web Lab. Vanry. Yeah, I mean, long term, look at the highs of 44. It's a bit of a. Vanry's an AI coin, isn't it? It's gaming and AI. I think. So what I'd actually wait for on Vanry is this. Then I'd look to potentially enter. But for now, I'm not really that interested in it. To be honest, I'm not actually that interested in a lot of alts right now. They're not very fun to trade apart from these volatile ones with negative funding. So I'm gonna just focus on them. Auction. I think we went through auction. I mean, a hard rejection. I personally wouldn't look to long this down here, unless if I got lower time frame and I see it reclaims some levels. Yeah, I mean, this is so ugly on lower time frame. Maybe if it reclaims up here, but like I said, I'm not that interested in it. B&B, I think John's in B&B at the moment. So
Oh man, so good. I can't believe missed it.
well, apparently there were rumors that he's been let out now. I don't know how true that is. Does anyone know? Saw that. Yeah, I don't know how true it is. I haven't seen anything else apart from that. Dupe, I'm not interested in.
I'm pretty sure if he was out, you'd see it like all over social media.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So I'm not really thinking that deep into it. But if we get some daily closures above here on Dupe, who asked for it? Bin, then like this. Then I'd look to target these up here. But you want to see volume there. The volume now is pretty dead. What's up, 2P? All right. What other charts everyone want me to go through? Mog, haven't. You seen the boys this weekend, Pocky?
Um,
Or they going? Wait, is it
yeah.
fight week next week?
Next month. So
Oh, next month.
I'll probably go down there.
Oh shit. Ah, Karina, thank you. Data. That's
Oh, who was it? Like Capo is the one that posted that CZ's out.
Oh, did he? Oh, for fuck's sake.
People are just questioning it.
Yeah, data could actually be pretty nice, Karina. Let me find something for it.
Yeah, people saying he's lying, bro. He said 29th. It's up to 29th. What's up, Bill?
What's up, Billy? You good? Yeah, I got this on data, Karina. Some 15-minute closures above here would be nice. I set my alerts to it. Yeah, Mike, one sec. There you go. Arve. Yeah, Arve is annoyingly strong, and it's not giving me a pullback to enter, which is pissing me off. But for me, 119 area. This retest up down here. Wait, is this in? Oh no, it's not. Never mind. Fucking hell! This was at 800 or 700 at one point. Jesus Christ. Also, no, I'm just riding Sun. Starts break even. Fet's a resistance at the moment. Oh, sorry, let me get rid of these. But if it can reclaim this dollar level, which is a pretty psychological level anyway, then I think you can get a nice run on it. So I'd want to see some daily closure above and look to bid the retests. I think quite a few of the boys are in FET at the moment for spot. So you can just follow them. Hey, Crit, I'm still waiting for that 153 level on Solana. Little prick of a coin. I think there's a daily though, 145. It could be nice, but I think this 153 level is just so juicy that I want that. Or I'll short the breakdown of this. So I'd short that breakdown if we get it. Solana's been so weak recently.
Yeah, I already put the stop loss break even from Tuesday.
It's just
Right. Did we long it Tuesday? Was it Tuesday?
no, maybe yesterday. Like, did you stream yesterday? Could have been yesterday.
Oh, it was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday.
Oh, that went
Trading
off.
all these crazy altcoins there, like Sun and fucking Rare. I look at the P&L card for Soul. It's like, what?
Yeah. But after trading them, it gets so boring to trade the other coins.
Yeah, but we still end up making more money playing the bigger ones because of the size.
Yeah.
I almost want to like, since CZ's not out, I almost want to short
Oh,
BNB. I don't know where it could go though. Just think it pumped to like 643. Yeah, actually 604 is a tap monthly.
my long popcat, you know. Shit, it's going without me. Fuck's sake. Who aped in the chat? Where's my phone? Oh, yeah, my long popcat soon. I have a feeling it's not going to give me a retest, though. Come on, give me a retest, Popcat. Holy shit! It was that beat. The beep's not that loud. Ski, is it? If it comes close, a crypt, then you might get it. Yeah. You actually might get it, a crypt, because it. Don't think it will fill me. Little fucking prick. I don't want to mark it into up here. Chase. I have you on my car. Ah. Well, that sounds like a you problem then, Ski. Oh, come on. Just give me a little dip. I think it could go. Oh, it's a stretch, that is. That is a big stretch. Is there a fresh daily?
What?
Popcat. No, there's no fresh daily POC barbecue.
Uh,
Range. Oh, right, okay, my bad.
the daily that
Range and
that
value
that it
high.
that it just broke through. Yeah, 5644.
Fuck it. Yeah. All right, fuck it. Yeah, I think it got added today. AI. Which is kind of worrying me a little bit, but we'll see. Have you got anything at 60k, Pock?
What for BTC?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had
Value area
the
low, wasn't
of
it?
of the 180-day range. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Fresh day. Yeah, yeah. I got that as well, barbecue. ONG. Looks pretty shit at the moment. But I like it if it reclaims here. If it reclaims there, I like it, but for now, I'm not interested until it reclaims. 5 minute. Alright, okay, give me a sec. Was this you that just longed it and caused this little vol uh spike up? Hey, give me a sec.
Acrypt. I'm actually I think I used the Coinbase one for the big range, brother. I don't know if I updated it though yet.
I don't know how to say your name, to be honest with you. I don't think that's even your name. So whoever asked me about ONG, this reclaim possibly.
Oh wow, value area low is now at 60K, so we're back in that big range.
It's not bad actually.
Yeah, it's
You will not pronounce it. It's in Polish. Oh, okay, yeah. I probably won't give it a go. I don't want to offend anyone. Oh, you could have just said that then. Start my future case at 223, sitting at 404 right now. Current. You doubled it overnight. That's pretty good, Ski. Is your risk managed though? That's the big question. My bad, Osteo. On this stream, we only offend one person, and he's not here, and that's Bryce. Can't defend him whilst he's not here to defend himself.
He's been MIA since he left for Europe.
Yeah, I know. Well, I think his missus is in hospital at the moment, so I think he's sorting that out.
Oh no, I hope she's all right.
Yeah, I think. Well, he messaged about it. Seems okay. I think just double checking things. Uh, if I have stop loss break, does that mean I can open? Yeah, if your stop loss is break even, that means you're not risking anything. Because if you get stopped break even, you don't win or lose.
Yeah, you're risk free.
Yeah.
You can even turn your like if you get a trade that's like risk free, stop loss and profit or break even, you can turn the leverage all the way up, so you can even
Yeah.
free up more capital.
Yeah, that's what I do. Grok. Not yet, Mike. Grok. I don't think you can short Grok, can you?
What's happening, boys?
Yeah, what's up, Arthur? You're coming in loud. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm on my phone. I'm driving.
You know,
So I roll now. I've got a loud mic.
it's the loudest you've ever been.
Maybe I should join on my phone all the time.
I think you should.
What's
Uh,
cooking?
yeah, not bad, not bad. What are you up to? Where are you off to?
I said to watch my nephew for a bit, but I'm just driving home. I'm going to be home in 5.
Ah, nice. Would you elaborate? Pete, you just so like leverage is just a tool to allow you to use less capital in a trade. And then when well, for me personally, Pocky does the same. I'm sure Mouse does. When my stops break even, I up the leverage so it uses less capital in that trade, so I can use that capital in a different trade.
Where's Pocky?
He's here, I think.
Hey, what's up, brother?
What's that, mate? You alright?
Yeah, man.
Good, good.
Uh, does Mouse drive a Ferrari yet? No, he drives a little hairdresser's car,
Little mini.
little Audi TT, more like.
Fiat 500.
So that has to be nice. No, I don't think it matters. No, I think it has to be in cross to be able to do it. Man, I've never heard of a Topolino. Wait, let me search that because I've never heard that.
Are we going to dump or what? I'm pretty short right now.
What are you short on?
FTM and Apu.
Apu? What the fuck's Apu?
1,000 APU. I've got Pico.
Oh shit,
It's too weak.
that's pretty strong today.
Yeah, I like shortness, these strong runs.
Yeah, you do, don't you? I mean, what? Well, you got Pico, so it's already down 8%.
No, Pico from the last push up. Just driving. My entry is 3192.
3192.
Yeah.
Yeah, it dumped 8%, mate.
Yeah, it might have. I thought you meant it's 8% down now.
No, look. Oh, you got it. Yeah. I think you missed a nice TP there whilst you were driving.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, I did miss it. I took some CP, but I missed the big impulse down.
Oh, that's all right. Chesney, I think
Take.
Mouse is short on FTM already.
Yeah.
I think I had FTM distance as well.
I got Pico on FTM as well.
I like 52.
4671 my entry is.
I like 52 for sure.
Right, I'm going to bounce. I need to ring my gates to get in, but I'll jump back on when I'm indoors.
All right, well, no, I think we're hopping off in 10 because John's streaming.
Fair. I'll catch you boys later.
All right, have a good one, mate.
Later, brother.
Bye. Bye.
Boys, I want to try a $500 510x leverage. Looking for 10 points. I mean, you can try that if you want, Osteo. As long as 500 to you isn't a lot of money, it can be sort of your degen account. Token. Token's actually looking pretty shit. Sorry, mate. It's losing a big level for me. I think if you get some daily closure below this level, then I'd look for it to fill the wick. I mean, it's coming to a POC, but it doesn't look great. I'd prefer this lower one down here, 38 area. What's up, Groot? Yeah, Mike, RSR though, you got to wait daily. So I'd wait for a spike up on the daily, close above, and then look to bid a retest. I'd probably actually play it in spot and DCA all the way down to this 50 level. BNX is actually a very weird coin to trade. Like, I find it hard to trade BNX. I think I've only had maybe 2 winners of the BNX trades I've sent out, so I don't really have a good history of it. But you could look to scout the daily at 138 area. So yeah, you could look to scout this level. So you can set your alerts there. It's not dumping that hard, Ski. It's only down 6%. All right, I'll do a couple more charts and then we'll hop off so John can jump on stream. Fucking hell, guys. Don't jump all at once. Oh, yeah, another coin I was actually looking at was Lunar Classic. For a long, because it's actually rejected off the POCs, but if it reclaims this level, it could be quite juicy. See some 30-minute candle closures above. Then I might look to go long with like my first TP around this week, and then look to target the highs up here. Carrot. I'd honestly just wait for a reclaim of 45 cents for me. But it's a long-term project to hold though. I don't think it's a scalping coin really. So if you believe in the project long-term, then these are the great prices to buy. But for me personally, I would wait for 45 cents to be reclaimed. And then our target 65. I'm still long. Mario, I swear your entries for the spot are so much higher than the current prices of the coins.
Hey Reek, I'm actually gonna head out real quick. I gotta make some phone calls before John's stream.
All right, yeah, no worries.
I'll see you there. I'll see everybody there.
All right, see you later, mate.
All right, guys.
Who are, yeah, WebLab. I would actually set some alerts around $36 to 34.5 for this retest on Zek. So down here. This could be a nice retest area. Yeah, I mean it can go up if it wants to go up, but that's just an area I'd like to bid for a retest. This sort of looks like it's just going to roll over unless this level is reclaimed. So until you get some daily closures above, then I think you can look to bid this retest. Chesky, nothing to update with Popcat. I didn't enter the long. Sui, I'm actually still in my short from up here. Is weak as fuck right now. And if it loses this level, which is close to doing, then my next take profit for my short will be down here. The 65 to 63 cents. Very weak. I mean, it gave a nice bear retest up here. I'm not interested in any longs on Sui until down here. Or it reclaims 94 cents. Alpaca, yeah, that I'm interested. Still, let me show you. This retest, if it gives. Look to target that daily up there. Fuck, it might not give. Fuck. Let me see if I can look for a little chase entry. Let's go DJ. Let's go on the 30-second time frame. See, no, you got nothing. Yeah, I haven't got anything to chase it. So I set your alerts for this retest on Alpaca, which it might actually give in a sec. Let me. Fuck, we could get a live trade going on. Grok, yeah, sorry, I keep forgetting about Grok. Let me. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Didn't give us a retest. Fuck. Cunt. If you log Alpaca, look to take some profit off for the daily up here. Shit. Why did I not set my alerts on this? Fuck. IO, yeah, let's see. What's the funding on IO Pyrex? Let me have a look. It's still neutral. For sake. What's up, Rego?
What up, TQ?
How you doing?
I'm bad. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Got our
Just,
people
do
joining us.
you want to share your screen? Because my laptop is overheating massively right now.
Yeah, I could do it. Just let me know what you guys are looking at, and I'll.
Take a guess.
I'm sure it's some strong liquid pairings.
It's a coin called Alpaca.
Oh, look at that! Of course. Now we'll take a look at some stuff. I'll be optimistic. I promise.
All right, what? Now you're here. I'm just gonna quickly go toilet because I've been bad piss.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
All right, sweet.
Yo, so what's up, everybody? How are we all doing this morning?
Doing good, bro. Doing good. Doing
We
good.
good. We good.
Doing good. Doing just as good as the first time you asked me.
Bro, for some reason, you guys are fucking so low. I gotta hear you guys. I'm like, I got my fucking ear to the speaker right now. Yo, I'm gonna change it so I can just go through my phone because honestly, I can't do this. I'll go do that.
Probably some setting. Oh,
Dang, you've been sniping for the last couple days, Rego?
yeah.
This is a beautiful area to fucking just scalp and trade.
It's been nice. It just gotta be aggressive, and it's like, fuck, man. I just want to like set some trades out and just watch them ride into the sunset. But
Yeah, that's a
fuck,
no go right
man.
here. Absolutely.
Yo.
Lately, yeah. Yo.
That's
You hear us now? Yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
It's just like every high to low is reacting, and we're just taking out the highs, printing like slight higher lows. So you're getting good opportunities to enter. You just, like you said, got to be aggressive.
Yo, I think Woods is market making right now, Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Yo, this guy he'll just fucking spew out random numbers. He'll close his eyes and just see some random numbers. and then it'll fucking go right there and then reverse.
Now
Appreciate
it's
it,
done.
man. That's how it's been for the last couple of weeks.
Yo,
We're at like
that's
the
crazy.
squeeze spot. We're at the squeeze spot. Big decision.
Appreciate it, my boys. Are you guys looking for a breakout today, or what? What are we looking at for intraday for the next couple
I
of days?
think break out over the weekend.
Yeah.
Maybe
I can see
tomorrow.
that. I think immediate intraday. I think we're gonna sweep highs, go towards like 62, I think that's gonna act as tough res. Probably flush some longs from today and yesterday, and then we'll fucking resend. That's my opinion.
Yeah, I got the same opinion. I actually just put a limit order for that. Sweet.
Oh, you got
Like
a
go
limit
up
order
to
for
like
there? Oh, beautiful.
yes. I have it for 62.7 to 63.1.
62
And then, like
7.
retest like 59, like 60K, and then go to like 66.
Oh, sweep the high from earlier in August. Yeah, I see that. I like that. That's a
Like
good plan.
that 62.7 shit. Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't looking there. I'm gonna take that plan with you for sure. I'm not even gonna post a limit. That's a good one. I'm looking for near. I like SOL holding these 140 levels as well. I've been peeping that.
I'm long sold right now too.
Yeah, I saw you long souls
It's
again.
another nice setup here.
I put a limit
Soul's
for
been one of the
near.
stronger coins today.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's been
143 into
holding.
141. That's not
So
bad.
we're going to 62, 63, then 60. Nikita, I'm thinking we take that high that John posted up in his trade. We take that high from early August and then probably retrace down, sweep some lows from the last couple days. You could see from the last couple days if you're looking at the 4 hour, Rego, if you want to look real quick on BTC, if you don't mind. Just like on the 4 hour BTC. If you see these higher lows are pinching, I think we're gonna sweep some of these higher lows that have pinched from the last couple days. So we'll probably sweep the highs and then go down to the lows, in my opinion.
Think I'm
I'm
like right
hoping we
here.
break out. Yeah, like around there would be nice.
Yeah,
After we push up to
57.
62.
Yeah, yeah.
BNB is another coin that's been pretty strong too.
Yeah, I spoke about that a couple days ago. It looks not bad. Where's my
What's going
actual
on in
chart
Europe,
here?
man?
Yeah, look right here.
Especially with
Back in the
CZ getting out of
range.
jail next month.
True, it's true.
Yo, when he
Another
gets out
perfect
of jail,
range
the
play.
party,
Yeah.
bro. Imagine the party starts. He marks the bottom when he gets out. His release date.
Yo, when he gets out, I think BNB go to like $1,000. Like that's just good.
He's gonna be like, "Yo, boys, we got some work to do."
I hope it does, because that's where I made all my money from. First one's crypto.
That's not
With
even a
being-
2x from here. It's totally believable.
Yeah.
It broke new highs, right? And
Yeah, made a new all-time high in June.
yeah.
What are
I
your
mean, it's in the
opinions on
range again. It's in the range again. So just gotta wait for that, clear that, and we have a good chance here.
Also, I think people are underestimating Tron too early. I think people are underestimating, and they feel like Tron's gonna die. I think people are underestimating Justin. To be honest.
Oh, is that why people are saying CZ got out? Because I had like people reply to my tweet like CZ got out of jail. I'm like, I think he gets out next month.
Yeah, he's got a
Yeah,
month
no,
left.
like the 29th of September. But
Capo's
Capo's
just a fucking idiot, bro.
yeah, that's why I shorted
But
it.
yeah, Capo's an idiot, bro.
He said B&B's bullish as fuck. I was like, click short.
Jasper, I think everybody has their own books. Everyone's got their own trades. Everyone's got their own Twitter accounts.
Yeah.
That's it. He's a beast. Everyone's a beast in their own right. Everyone misses.
You
Everyone
can't.
hits. Whatever.
You gotta have your own thesis and just like stick to your own plan. Otherwise, you're just relying on other people's trades, like, and it'll just fuck your bias. So
Yeah. Capo spreading 50. Capo, bro. He's just the opposite trader, bro. So yeah, we're kind of
FTM's
doing
another
that.
coin. FTM's another good coin to have an eye on for the next like few weeks, months. They got the Sonic upgrade, I think, in September. So the FTM's gonna have a new ticker soon. It's gonna just be S.
They're
Oh,
gonna,
they're
are they gonna
rebranding?
change it? Oh no!
What?
Don't, don't
I
like
didn't
that
know
they
they were
changed.
rebranding.
I don't know what you said, Tareeq.
I said I don't like that they're gonna change the ticker.
Oh yeah, no, I thought FTM was pretty clean, but now it's just gonna be the letter S.
What's your
Maybe that sparks some like meme season on FTM or some shit. I don't even know.
Yeah, I could see that happening. We spoke about that. I could definitely see like an on-chain FTM thing going down as everyone flows in and out of shit. Also, Maker should rebrand sooner or later. I like Maker to trade whenever it gets hot, but it's hard to tell when Maker gets hot because when it gets hot, it goes quick.
Yeah, I don't think there's any point trading it until it does get hot because it's such a boring coin to trade when it's not.
Majority of alts are like that. Majority of alts have been super boring. I haven't traded an alt in like weeks. This alpaca shit, I don't know what the fuck it is, but it's crazy. Abe was a fucking monster hit. I closed it for a couple percent. It went for like 60%.
Wicked,
Abe
man.
chart is nutty as hell.
What is this, man?
Yeah, what is this, bro?
Beam when it reclaims is fucking low at 15.4. Looks like it's gonna be a nice reclaim.
Yeah, I think Wales and Spot Beam at the moment. I think he's up a fair amount on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
And
wants a Neuralink for trading.
what rate?
One
Current
coin I
spot.
also like from a consolidation perspective is Ordi.
The
What?
Regidio farming.
I know, weird coin. Just look at Ordi on like the weekly, it looks crazy.
Orion?
Yeah, no, we have
Is that what we were looking at earlier, Pocky?
yeah,
it was.
Bro, look at
we
this
have,
compression. Like Ori's gonna explode with due time.
Ordi,
It's just
okay.
weird coin.
where's the entry?
Rego, what are you expecting tomorrow at the Jackson Hole meeting or whatever the fuck it's called?
I don't
It's
really
gonna
have
confirm.
much.
It's just gonna
I don't really.
confirm like your heights, right?
Yeah, like I don't think we're gonna get anything new. I think what like the real like impactful moment is September's FOMC. Because like that is where I assume getting an absolute change for the first time since they got raised, right? Like Jackson's Hole for the past like 3 years has given me no insight to anything at all.
And last year I don't think it really even affected the market at all.
No, it didn't. It's like for at least crypto, it's a really nothing burger. But like I mean if there's anything that can like change the probability of like what will happen in September, then I guess we'll take it into account. But realistically, to trade it as the day event goes along, there, I don't.
Yeah, okay. So I have
The
similar
past few
point of view.
years, yeah, the past few years really hasn't given us much, and so I'm looking at it really.
All right, cool. So I'm on the same page with you.
Look at that on the weekly, Rigo.
Sorry,
Look at that on the weekly.
just on the weekly.
Pocky.
See what you're looking at there.
Yeah, you see that little wedge into demand right
Alright.
there.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's a weird one, but it's definitely one that could run.
Yeah, it might take like fuck.
Yeah, it might
What
take a
if?
couple months, but
Yeah, that might take a bit of time, but draw down on this. I'm curious.
crazy.
I mean, if not here, where,
Crazy.
right?
I'm not gonna lie, I purchased a bag already like really high, and I'm still holding that bag.
I mean,
Anyone think we getting 54, 55 anytime soon? I think
I think it's
we can.
possible.
I think it's possible. Like the scenario I'm looking for, like with Johnny as well, where we sweep the 62.7 high from earlier August. I think that reaction is going to be very telling, and I think 56.2 is my level to long. That was a pretty hard level for people to long. People were getting super bearish at that level when it hit, and we longed it here last week. Remember? I think we might sweep that low, if not print a very, very, very cheeky higher low there, and then that'll probably maybe mark bottom, but
I see
it's possible.
this. I see this for you, Rich. This is what I see too. Like, it all depends on the 6,500 level, honestly.
I can see that as well. Wait, is
Yeah.
that 53 or 55?
It's 54, 55. So it creates a
Yeah.
higher low from our demand, and you know that would signal that the bid there is sufficient. I mean, I definitely see this being a play, but really depends on. I would say this where this week closes. I think if you're above like 61.8, I think that's a level to maybe change how you're looking at it. But like this would be like the most ideal moment
Yeah,
for
I was gonna
bears to
say that's the
defend.
ideal
Yeah,
scenario. That's the
yeah,
ideal one. We sweep all those lows prior to the impulse, retest that demand deeper, and then continue back up. That's an
yeah,
ideal scenario.
yeah. I
Guys,
definitely have this. Yeah,
XNet, I like. I just got an XNet yesterday by Johnny put it on my radar last week, and I just pulled the trigger and it started moving. I like it for long term hold. There's not a lot of SOL utility that I like, but that is one of them. And John made a point on his Twitter earlier that not a lot of coins SOL tweets about, and they tweeted about them. So I definitely like them as a micro cap play. See if we could bounce at 58. 58. We retested 58.9 yesterday. That was the level to hold, and you saw how heavy it got. I think if we take out the 62, I think we'll slice straight through 58.9 at least. If we retest it from here, I think it's possible we hold that. I'll bounce up to 62.
you guys think of ETH? period.
ETH looks atrocious on that time frame. What are you looking at?
Crazy, man.
Yeah, it looks
This is the
atrocious.
M15.
Oh yeah,
Like,
on the lower time frame looks atrocious.
Bag of shit.
trendless.
Slackish, yeah.
It really
Yeah,
has, huh? It really has failed us.
Yeah, really. It's fucking pathetic.
Bro, I had
It's
majority of my porting ETH too, like an idiot.
it's quickly becoming a link. It's it's just not doing what we need it to do, huh?
It'll just skyrocket to 10K in 1 week.
I fucking, you
I'm
know,
hopeful. That's the dream.
I'm hopeful too. Let me look for max cope here on what we can
Gee,
expect.
David, what a play, bro. You've been on fire, David.
Printing off these memes, huh? Look at that.
Jeez, bro. I didn't even know what coin that was. I had a person ask me about it, but I finally realized what it was. I think it'll do numbers, son, if you guys invest in it. I wouldn't invest here though. But I do think it'll do numbers if Tron continues to fucking do what it does. I don't know.
What's the
It looks
rally
fun.
from the lows over here?
Son
That's,
crazy.
I've been trading Sun for the past 2 days. That's what I've been
Yeah, no
trading.
kidding.
It's been a lot of fun.
Oh yeah, man. Look
Yeah,
at that. 200
yeah,
DMA
it has.
touch. Can't go wrong.
Crypto just following the fucking SPX. Dot for dot right now. Bitcoin, at least.
Look at this, huh?
I'm gonna take another TP on Sun. Get
Oh,
like
look at that. Look at that. We're
Bringing back an
finally
equal
fucking-
size here. I'm gonna try and bait the rollover. No way. Not with lower rates on the way. Jackson's Hole.
Rich. Rich. I'll give you a one-on-one when I get back in the game. I haven't done a one-on-one in like 2 years. Where to bid BNB? You take a look at BNB real quick.
Yeah.
And look at it for a
Yeah,
minute.
yeah.
We'll take a look at TRX,
Uh,
you guys. Let us know what
I was
charts you guys
looking
want
at
us
them
to look
both.
at.
27,
Looking
Reek,
at the
27.
BNB.
20. All right, sweet.
Yeah.
BNB is back in a range. Honestly, between 541 and 620.23. I guess.
Oh, that's a clean play. I like that.
Pick out of
He's starting
this.
out.
Reason for this. Look how many touches towards this level. Same thing could be said about the bottom here. So you can clearly see that's a range. For a range low retest, you have the support of the 200 EMA to add confluence to that belief.
You could
And you would
probably
want to.
set like a little candle wick below it probably, and then
Yeah,
flip
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. It's
I
like
like
you play it the way you want. Like if you believe it's just a range low play, well then you could look the target a bit lower there because it wouldn't matter. But
The
Yeah.
stocks roll over here. I think Bitcoin about to go with it.
Yeah, it's fine.
Everybody posted their Sun P&Ls.
I'm still in my short from yesterday, so I'm hoping I'm hoping we pump just so I get more
What's
fill. But
I think
AVAX.
that mid 62 short would be nice.
yeah, that would be a perfect short, honestly. I wasn't looking at that high from earlier in the month. I didn't see that. AVAX also nice bounce off demand there.
Yeah,
Really
that
Well,
should be.
AVAX, Grayscale just came out with their own AVAX fund or whatever. Whatever it
Was
was
that
this morning.
this morning they did that?
Yeah.
I could see
Look
AVAX.
something like this on AVAX, at least on
Yeah, almost like Ori, where
again.
it takes a minute to fucking move. A lot of these coins, like a lot of these mid caps, like if you look at near FET, a lot of these coins are on demand or above demand or just at the top of demand. So a lot of them are like retesting monthly demands, weekly demands, and it takes time for them to explode off these demand zones. Apparently they're just accumulating shit. And they're tightening on the like. Look at that AVAX wedge too. There's a nice falling wedge there as well. You could play like some good confluence there for reversals in due time. We have a love hate. Yeah, you can watch my stuff there. Those are really old videos, guys. Very old videos.
4 hour actually doesn't look too bad here. 100
I
EMA
really hope we
creeping
get.
into a level of demand. Wanted
If we
to
get
hold, show strength.
54.5, they still play. If we get 54.5 from here, I'd be very surprised, bro. I wouldn't even look this short. I feel like that would just be the bottom. I didn't expect us to retest 59.8 yesterday, so I guess I didn't catch Pico there last night. I didn't expect that deep, but little bit of
Someone
profit.
said take a look at Tron, right?
Yeah, look at Tron. Well, welcome back.
I mean, you guys think about
Tron on the
this?
higher time frame probably looks more appealing than the lower time frame right now. Yeah, high
The ultimate entry for Tron would be like 14-2.
14.2 would be the previous high there, right? Yeah.
Just about, yeah.
Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
Yeah, this previous high right here.
Yeah.
Got this as a bedrock. Yeah, that makes the most sense.
If you put some loose DCA bids for Tron, I think you get a good swing entry right there. Some loose bids.
Any touch back towards the 200 EMA has proven very, very worthwhile here.
Yeah, I agree with those levels, Pocky. I think we should hold above 58.9 for a scalp long if you want to try that. 57.16 would be a little higher low over that level.
Yeah, we just got updated value area low of like the 180-day range, and it flipped from 61.1 to 58.9.
Top this would be an 18.
Technically supposed to be support.
Intraday bounce from 59.7. If we go to 59.7 now, I don't think you should be long in there. Myth. I don't think that's a. I don't think that's a good spot on. Personally, unless you want like a
Bearish.
$300 bounce. Intraday Tron, you think 15.4. No, I think if you're patient for our levels that we just spoke about around 14.8, 14.2, I think that's a good level. I think it's more worth being patient here for entries, especially on alts. Alts have been extremely weak in the last couple weeks, and they showed a little bit of strength recently, but they're at resistance right now. If BTC rejects and alts don't hold strength, I could see them losing some points. I could see -5 across the board, -6.
In an area on the intraday that can look nicely really quickly, but at the same time, like using this as support instead of using this as an area to just defend and instead buy back above. I think your path is much clearer above 15.8, but you know, anything below that, at least so soon, like towards like 15.4, 15.360. It seems a bit more problematic. I'm not saying it doesn't work out. There's been adequate number of bidders here. It's just a better way to look at it, I guess.
IO's really strong, trying to break out of this little range consolidation here.
Which one's
So
Yeah.
that?
IO. It's like a NAI coin that's like backed by a lot of big VCs.
It does look good. I don't know what it is, but it looks fire. Looks like A before it broke out. On the 3-day, it looks pretty good too. What's the heat map saying? Take a look. Mad liquidity above. That's 61.8 where we shorted yesterday. I think we can easily impulse above that and get those.
Yeah,
fills in.
61.9 has a lot, right?
Yeah, I got a lot. I think we could easily liquidate shorts up there if we start pushing, and then fill some shorts.
It starts at 62. 62,340. Where the like big liquidations start.
62,340.
Yeah, that's like where the big one is right there.
I don't use the liquidation maps as much as I should, or the liquidation whatever things.
The CoinGlass one is pretty good because it gives you like exact pricing.
Yeah, I still got to. I just use the heat maps here.
Yeah, King David, we use Trading Light too, but that's just like to check out the books.
What's usual? What's
I
usual
use this
leverage? You guys
instead.
use? Yo, Keaton.
Okay.
The amount of leverage you use does not matter. What matters is your position size. So if you're using $100, you don't want to use all the $100. If you use, you know what I'm saying, you got to position size. Position size. Always think position size. If you risk 100 on 10x, if you risk a 3% move, you're gonna lose $300. If you risk 101x on a 3% move, you're gonna risk $30. Is that right? 10. No, that's not right. I did the wrong math.
Are absolutely
like
Can
$5,
absolutely
bro.
touch 62,700 first. It's entirely possible. Entirely possible. Pretty significant level actually. 60,000, 62,700. My goodness.
Yeah, that's a good level.
I would say it's moved up from 61,800. Yeah.
There's some supply there too, right? Yeah.
Oh hell yeah. That's the level to defend for the Bears. The level. Wouldn't really have a bearish argument above there. It's gonna be very, very difficult to have one.
I think easy invalidation would be like 64.5 is probably like where you cut the shorts when you're trying it there.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's exactly where I got the stop loss.
That's fire.
Like 6.
Might as well collab it. Steal your clout. What's a good area to bid Popcat? We can take a look at Popcat. Why not? Definitely one of the
Popcat's a
strong.
little tricky. Just got listed on Binance today.
Yo, what the?
Yeah, the swings are horrendous on Popcat.
And then
Whenever it goes up.
someone withdrew like $10 million for like $10 million in Sol from Binance, and then bought $10 million worth of Popcat.
When did they do that?
So there's like weird. I don't know. I feel like it's a little difficult.
Yeah, what a weird coin. Yeah, these coins swing crazy whenever they move. So I definitely think you get good bids on Popcat.
I like this area right here. Maybe
Yeah,
just a
I
bit
like that same
wide,
area.
but like what's the width of this? And 3.4. Have to size down by like 1/3. Probably to take something like this.
It's an area that if you're patient, you'll get. If you're patient, you'll get it. And if you don't plan ahead, you'll be looking at Popcat saying, "Ah, it looks like trash," but really get some good bids filled there. I invested all my mother's money. You've been killing Popcat, Guru. That's your shit. Nero list on HT. Yeah, I saw that today. It's just kind of consolidating. It's just I don't know what's up. It's just consolidating, man. A massive run up. It's kind of hard to say what's gonna happen when the coin went from 5 to million. Now it's over 4 million.
They play like an intraday scalp that's maintaining the trend. You definitely want 52.5, 50 to hold out. Again, that's being very aggressive. Like as aggressive as I could possibly be. Downside and the risk.
Yeah, Rego, your mic is lagging.
Is it me? Yeah.
Yeah, you're good now.
When can I ape in anything and everything and make money? That's $1 million question.
Above all time high, Bubba.
Stick around and you'll know you'll be there at the right exact moment. That's my best suggestion.
SPX pulling back more.
Went up only October.
I'm
I
curious to
would
see
think it's less than October. I would say more September.
Yeah, I think September we get movement. I think we chop around for another couple weeks, and then I think September we'll see some really
All right,
good
losing
results.
60,500. That's super lame.
It's
Yeah,
just Bitcoin is just literally following SPX to the dot right now.
What will be a good entry for Nero spot trade? I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I think there's other opportunities doing it, and that's
Okay.
the person that's holding Nero. I think there's gonna be other.
And that's interesting enough. The dollar bounces from these lows. I guess this is in a range too at this point, right?
Jesus, that's a.
I mean, that's
great
clean. This is like Bitcoin in reverse, is it not?
Clean to trade, yeah, it's clean to trade for sure.
Yeah. Like for 4Xers, this is like a wet dream.
Oh yeah, that's a wet dream. That's all they're gonna get. Yeah. When's
Okay,
the next BTC entry for me? I gotta come up with a plan. I don't really know where I'm interested in getting long right now, to be honest. Like this is ideally where you'd want to see BTC hold intraday. To be honest.
Exactly. This is the place you want to watch.
This
If not,
this is the ideal entry, right? We go right here.
Yeah, like 60,500. If not, you just hedge up, stay flat, and you look more for like again the retest more towards like the 54, 55 area. And there's like no reason to like rush or assume any upside before that. Like you're much safer just looking at the 60,500 level.
So you think we're gonna lose this 4-hour range that we've been in?
I don't I don't know. Like if that happens right away, like I would just continue to play whatever plan you have until proven otherwise. But for me, you know, makes more
Yeah,
sense to just
yeah,
assume
no.
if all the grinding like back into 60,500 is just going to lead to another rejection, then I assume the worst. Because we've been grinding up into this level multiple times now, and it's the level to defend for a bearish argument. So
I think the like 4-hour range trade, you could do like 58,429, for like 57 the monthly tap.
yeah, I see what you're looking at. That's actually, you know what? That's a pretty clean range as well.
Sir.
What was he
Yeah,
12 for hours? No, I'm
that's
still in
clean.
Wolf, bro. Still holding that shit, dude. It went up crazy from when we called in Discord. Just holding, bro. Holding whatever I got left of it. If you don't take profit, I don't know exactly where you enter, guys. I'm not sure. 10K to 680K. If you try that, I probably can't even do what Johnny does. There's probably very few people in the world that could do what he did the other day whenever he ran that shit up. I can't. I'm not one of them. I'm not one of those
Wow.
people that could do that. Trust me.
You see what I'm looking at, Pocky, by the way? Like, you get what I'm looking at? Like that rounded W. We see this a lot. So I'm not saying you get back to 53, 50, 50 there, but make a lot of sense to just go back into these bids.
Yeah, easy
Or
bids.
not even actually, because honestly, like you could just sweep the lows of this range that Pocky's talking about again. They'll still look really nice.
That's ideally what I want. You hold that higher low near that wick right down there at 56.5. I could see us holding, which is Pocky's 57 some odd level. I think that's a good level to start to bid if we do lose this 4 hour range to look
Yeah,
out
it's
for.
like if we're oversold like on like lower time frame, like 30-minute, I think that'd be a safe trade to take with very tight invalidation.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. 2.5 weeks since bottom of range. We feel lower now. I think. You think we sweep low of the? You think we sweep 48K, Rich, or you think we sweep like the 56.2? I don't know if we're gonna see lower than 48K. I don't think I'm putting my bets there. Personally, I don't know about you guys. Yeah, I can see that as well, Rich. I can see that. That was
mean,
on leverage or on a meme coin. That was on leverage, bro. He does that on leverage. You got to if you're doing a 10K to 680K, you're doing that on leverage. Absolutely degenerate, and you're willing to risk that 10K in an absolute second. Straight degeneracy. You got to remember too, like he's used to that price action. That's what like he knows how to trade that price action. Anybody else tries to trade the same price action, you're gonna get blown out. I guarantee you, including myself and majority of traders here. CT calling for 44. Yeah, a lot of people are calling for lower. That's insanity. I agree.
How much lower are we calling for?
A lot of people are calling for 44, but they've been calling for
Yeah,
44.
because they see their bearish structure now, and it makes sense. Like I won't argue with it, but like
It's a beautiful level
I'm
to bid,
expecting
right?
it.
Like, it's
I don't
beautiful
know if
level.
I'm expecting it. Yeah, like the dollars are gonna become cheaper. I just don't see a world where
I see a good support flip there. There's good demand there. I mean, it's just a good level to land
yeah,
on. If
from
we
like a technical standpoint, yes, it's the area, right? If you're following a bearish structure now, losing the 61K area, it makes sense that you're gonna dive deeper, right? It's just like the response from the 50 to 53K area was present, right? There was big bid at that level, so assume everybody's just gonna be able to buy back at 45, 40K. You know, it's
yeah, exactly, native, exactly. And then at 44, everyone's gonna be calling for 33. 33
that's the
people are gonna
nature
call
of the
for
market.
13.
Yeah, that's just the nature of it, right? The truth is, the ones calling for 45, 44K now, you know, probably didn't bite on the 50 to 53K area, and that's like, you know, the chasing scenario.
Wow, we're still printing on that short. It's crazy. How are we this low this early? I did not expect us to get this low this early. I really thought we were gonna tag the highs from yesterday.
That's not.
Thursday.
That's crazy.
Still above the 200 EMA, guys. Like, you have a nice liquidity sweep right here. 59.7. I think you hold above that, you're still okay for today. Entering the afternoon now. We've typically sold off in the morning. Look to recover in the afternoon or as markets close, so just keep that in mind.
The only thing that did push under 49. Yeah, I think that 48 level, if we were to go to 43, I think it should have happened, or 44, I think it should have happened when we retested 48. I
Yeah, that
don't
was
know.
it.
Yeah, because like especially how we're consolidating up here, just makes me think that when we do sweep, if we do sweep the 56 level, I think people are gonna anticipate much lower, and then we'll probably hold somewhere around there.
There's not a lot though to hold this. It's just like a 3-day at 54,240. Pretty much it.
Yeah, that's it. We had a lot of liquidations, a lot of forced selling to even get down to that 50K area, right?
Dude, whenever we did drop, that was kind of like atrocious. I didn't expect that drop when we
That
did.
happened fast. That happened
That happened
fast. It
super
was
fast.
one of the faster candles in past 2-3 years.
When it comes to a down, yeah, overall candles, yeah, it was. Man, when you look at that candle, we haven't had a candle like that since like August of 2023. Whenever we pushed down to 26K, around that level, we dropped from 28.4 to 26.2, and then printed that low. That was a pretty atrocious candle. And then we had that candle that pushed down from 2022 when we pushed down to 16K.
The XRP narrative finally kind of sort of real, or you touch $1 at least. Depends what narrative you're talking about. I've heard some wacky doodle tales from the XRP community.
Vitaly's
Going
doing
to
a sneaky on
dollars.
us. Guys, I'd be very what's the word? I'd be very cautious on memes right now. Very cautious on memes for the next week. I'm cooling off on new memes right now.
Boys, I'm gonna have to hop off. I need to take the dogs for.
Yeah,
I'm
later.
going.
Rick.
All right, see you later.
Yeah,
Have a
my
good
friend.
one, everyone. Bye.
Take care, sir.
We're going, my boy.
Very ideal level.
Many. I could see us holding here in the next the 4-hour close is in 16 minutes. So gotta
Yeah,
see
they're
what
gonna
this
try and
does.
take out this candle. Try and take out
Yeah.
this liquidity right here. Let's see.
You think we'll
200 EMA.
sweep that early morning low right there? Yeah, that's where you got. I think it's possible to sweep that morning low right there.
Gonna flush before the afternoon recovery. This is it's on the
Saying is that
books.
we drop this quick in the morning. I think that it's possible we just sweep that wick and continue back up towards 62.
I just hate how we can't get back above 60,500. I hate
Yeah,
that
that was
so
a
much.
very tight lower high right there. I'm very surprised we didn't sweep. Very
A little
surprised.
upset at that, but guess people are going risk off into tomorrow's event. I don't blame them, but at the same time,
SPX is selling off hard right now.
yeah, that's them just going risk off tomorrow, or at least yeah, this is like a buy in anticipation of the good news or something positive. That's what
Yo,
makes the
crypto.
most sense, right?
Yeah, it makes the most sense, Rego. I agree. Many.
Dollar bouncing off support, that makes sense. Let's see what the sweep is.
Total 2 is at fat resistance as well. A lot of alts are flicking red as well in the day, like we spoke about not even 10 minutes ago.
Irish guy, we're expecting, at least I'm expecting 59,750-ish. This wick right here is where you want to hold to assume that like a play off the pivot can still be done. But again, like what looks like a perfect bullish intraday setup is just met with overhead daily resistance from 60,500 all the way up to 61,800. So it's like in this situation, like you look to prioritize your daily outlook over your intraday outlook. So this case, we want above 60,500 to assume anything positive, but we're willing to allow slippage till 59,750 here.
TXY is on support here too, right?
Yeah, so it's just bouncing off that.
Yeah, still on support. So yeah, we could definitely see a bounce here. Can fuel the
Sees that it's
downside. as
200
well.
EMA, but as you can see,
Yo, Irish guy, we're looking at a sweep from this morning. So that 59.7 low, I think that'll be a good reaction. Move back up to 62. I'm hoping we take out that 62 high now. I mean, I wouldn't mind either way. I'm just kind of shocked we didn't on that pop. I did add to my short when I closed long, so definitely added back, but weak. 59.350's got a daily POC Pocky. That's your level, right? 59.350.
yeah, that adds up with all this liquidity over here. You could do that as well. Again, I just think at this stage in the market, you're looking for something gives you more of a green light on bigger time frames.
Exactly.
And a green light could go both ways.
So much better. Plan ahead, and you'll be You'll be rewarding yourself. Pat on the back.
This is
I think
this is
like
an area that could
intraday
get
you could
nasty.
probably bid at 59.5 to 59.3. I think that's a good bid intraday right here.
Yeah, I still think, yeah, you got until 59,750 to assume this still looks good. Yeah, below that, you just got to respect the daily trend, right? And that's, at least for me, problematic. You have a daily pivot here, you have a daily 200 EMA, you have a daily range low here, and losing that would be significant. Or at least would give the ammunition for bears to start shouting from the rooftops that it's over, right? So psychologically, it's a big factor too. Keep that in mind. How's our funding looking now? Still going up. Predicted down on ETH. And for ETH as well, you got about till 2580 to still assume this could work out. But again, I'm more hesitant on ETH just because 2720 is a level that, you know, was fought for, attempted to be reclaimed. And again, now there's like a sense of urgency not to revisit it. So that's alarming to me.
ETH is just a sack of shit.
Yeah, it's a sack of shit.
Yeah,
Worst
it's been
trade.
I
pretty
think it
lame.
has to take out the lows at 25.10 at minimum.
510.
Wow, XNet is flying too. Holy shit.
Yeah, that's the S2 level. Just gonna flush out one last time before drifting up into the week, or at least into the daily close. That's what it's looking like.
We got ETH BTC on support too as we talk all this shit. Oh, this chart sucks, bro. Worst
ETH
chart to look
BTC will bounce like 2%. The next day, just fucking completely retrace everything.
Gets everybody super bullish too. Weekly looks
Things are
horrendous.
Sun and Alpaca just don't give a fuck, do they? This thing Sun just keeps going. Look at this.
Yep.
Look at this. Since I got on stream, it's already up another fucking 10%. That's wild.
Yeah, ETH's on a big level as well here. Wow. Bro, ETH. I'm just looking at ETH for the first time in a couple of days. This is a fucking horrendous range. Even worse.
I have a one-on-one about to start, so I gotta head out, guys. Thanks for having
All
me.
right, Big Poc.
Good.
Go
All right,
ahead.
have a good day.
Yeah, man. Hey, just hit me up. Let me know what day's best for me to come down.
Sounds good.
Whiff looks kind of strong as well today. It's holding stronger than most.
Take a look at Whiff.
With SOLs holding a little bit, I could see Whiff definitely putting in some relief if BTC wants to hold that sweep.
Didn't I have a TA on this? I could have sworn I did. Must have deleted it.
Matic. I haven't looked at Matic in a minute, Wooly. I'm kind of interested in Whiff here. I want to see where he goes.
Matic had a big bounce recently.
Is there a narrative or just bounce?
Nah, I think he just kind of just followed FTM a little bit.
That makes sense.
Whiff, you want to hold It's 1.6 to 1.54 area. Would reclaim the selling over here. That can grind up. That can create a grinding up scenario. We just constantly trade at this price. Actually,
PRX pretty
look to
strong
push
right
up
now
like
too.
this. For width,
Yeah, I like
I
that
would
as
look
well.
for 154 and 1.6.
Yeah, a lot of L1s did have a lot of L1s did move recently. That's a good observation.
Good point. Good point. Good point. I like the
All
love
here
for
at
with it.
60K.
I like the 154. Sweep the daily low and continue up. I like that.
Big
I
walls
honestly
is
like
at
with
60K.
I like with at 152 a lot. A lot. I don't know if we get there though.
152.
152 is probably like 152 to 151 ideal.
I was hoping Bitcoin was gonna hold the 4-hour 200 EMA, but don't look like that's happening.
Yeah, these rejections are kind of shit here.
4-hour closes when? Like in like 9 minutes?
Yeah, 9 minutes.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Let's see.
Looks atrocious.
Does
E
SPX is pulling back hard.
ETH
yeah, I've been keeping an eye on it.
24.25 looks kind of take like 24.50 to 24.25. I'm bidding 24.80. Yeah, bro, I've had bids 24.80 to 24.33 for the past like 3 weeks for ETH. So I would love for that level to get retested.
Like I don't know, man. Higher thing for the whole day, or do we just look to recover now? Because
Oh, I just realized Rego got a new PFP. Oh my god, you're a dolphin, bro.
yeah, unbothered.
Moisturized
My lane.
in my lane.
What's
It's
up,
like
Impulse?
What up, grapes?
Yeah, barbecue. I'm kind of looking the same area for ETH, for sure.
All right, come on. Save the 4-hour. Let's go. Big bidder at 60K. Oh, did he disappear? He disappeared. Oh no, he's right there. He's on Binance. 60K. The face of realistically no selling whatsoever. That's interesting. If we pump Tron all together at 100x long, that just leaves us 1% away from being liquidated.
Yeah, I think today probably just chop, and then tomorrow with the Jackson Hole will be we get the bigger movement.
Yeah, I think I think even all weekend we'll probably I think we'll chop for the next couple of days. I'm ready for just nothingness for the next couple of days.
Pretty stacked on Binance here.
I think all the movement from the last couple of days is all the opportunity for them until we get some sweeps.
Heavy negative incentive. Bitfinex is flat. Predicted. Oh my god.
Pretty much flat across the board, right?
Actually,
Go
quite
negative.
a few are negative incentives. It's just Bitfinex is not really giving any. But yeah, and for that reason, they're not taking any incentive. They'll only long when there's incentive. So right now there's none.
Cheap fucks.
Very calculated bunch. Right, when I go to bed, I will cast a spell on Powell that he isn't a pussy the one who cuts rates, and we'll see at all the hedgers. Impulse, man, we're getting a rate cut. There's no doubt about it. We're gonna get a rate cut next month. Now the real question is, do we get 2 rate cuts or just 1?
We don't have anything else going on this month, right? There's no other.
Shouldn't be. No, I think we covered our month.
Okay.
But like
Only
next month's
rate cuts.
significant, right? Because like that's when like the prop desks are all like full time again. It's like it's
Summer's over as well, so the
yeah, it's gonna
suits
be
come
way
back.
more volatile. Like way more.
Yeah. Honestly, August I didn't even realize August is almost over. It's been a fucking long month. It seems like.
I find it flew, man. Like
Jeez.
last month. Like already July, but already in fucking September.
How bullish is? Explain that real quick, Rego, for people that don't know.
How bullish is that rate cuts? It depends how you look at it. Like when you see rate cuts, people, assume times of recession. But I assume times of, assets becoming, more likely to outperform a dollar, which gives people the excuse to not hold a dollar. And the cheaper rates become, the easier it is to borrow, the easier it is to speculate. And again, like when you're in tough times or when you're in tough economics, the goal is to, preserve dollars as much as you can, or at least look for the asset that's going to outperform whatever inflation you're up against. But realistically, when it's expensive to borrow, it's not so easy to obtain. So how do I see it as bullish? At least for, if you're scared of times of recession, well, back in '08 when they last cut like rates that had like negative impact, that was also the birth of BDC, right? So I would say it's in the environment it was designed for. That's more of a belief than anything, but realistically, whenever people see rate cuts, they fear recession. And I guess 2020 was a bit different, right? Because that was a complete total economic slowdown. So they pretty much had to make money free to refinance debt. So and you could see the result of what happened, right? When rates went to near zero in 2020, right? I think we were all here, right?
All of us were for sure.
Yeah, I mean, are some new folks here, but if you're here in 2020, like people telling you in 2020, oh that only happens when you're given like a free incentive to do so. Well, I'm like, well, we're leaning towards free incentive, like cheaper incentives to do so. So the closer we get to zero, the more of a scenario you have like that repeating, right? Because you're making something that's easily refinanced in terms of supply and making it easier for the average person to borrow from it, and you put that up against something that is not so easy to manipulate and create more supply of, and it's a slow process. You put those two together and you have pretty much an inverted chart. That's
Yeah,
my
I completely
stance on
agree.
that. Yeah.
Groot, I
You're trying to
completely
save
agree.
4 hour.
Yeah, trying to save the 4 hour.
Image change is not 2008 anymore. I mean, it pretty much is. Like 2020 was the same scenario. Instead of just admitting defeat, they made a situation refinanceable, which is just not something you could do in crypto markets, at least not with BDC. So it's like it's more or less the same thing. They'll always print, and putting rates lower is a sign of them working more towards printing. Anybody that's willing to refinance at the rates that they're giving at, well, they'll offer you that money. So it pretty much proves what I was just saying.
Not really trying to save the 4 hour here.
Yeah. Far so good.
Cheeky little higher, lower.
Yeah,
Honestly, with
2008 was the beginning of borrowing money at zero interest. Yeah.
if this could close above 65, 60,005, 60,006, decent here. Eh. Let me know, Groot. Let me know so I can look for tickets for you, bro. It's so hard to find tickets right now. Last minute fucking Warriors. Oh, I don't know what to think about this for already. A little shady.
Bitcoin is literally just following SPX to the T right there.
Yeah, we probably just chop around for the next like you said, next day or so, next few days. I don't really see there being a reason for such movement. CZ's out of prison. Is he actually out of prison? Is that like confirmed? Thought we just went over this.
I feel like CZ would tweet
Yeah, I feel like
if
he
he's out of jail.
pumped the market. He's I just walked out, guys. Unloaded 20 trillion into BTC.
Prison? Like we're talking today? I thought it was in 4 months from now.
No, he gets out in a
Or is
month.
that just a meme? Is that just a meme? I just put it together now. 4 months.
Well, he got sentenced to 4 months, which is hilarious.
No kidding, huh?
Hilarious, right? Crazy. That guy's
Like,
hilarious. He
come on.
predicted his
There's
own.
got to be
Bro,
something there.
he predicted his own sentence, or he knew it way beforehand.
Everybody's saying CZ's been released from prison, but I can't find
And I
an
doubt
actual
it.
source.
He's for sure the type of person that's already on his iPhone tweeting out like, "Yo,
Yeah, he'd tweet 4 or some shit.
yeah, he definitely." Yeah.
Simulation? I mean, how can you argue that at this point, you know? Like, how does he know? Isn't CZ like one of the richest people in the world at this moment?
Yeah, for sure.
Makes sense. One of the richest people in the world would know how the simulation goes. Imagine. He actually put up a 4 and he only got 4 months in prison. That's everybody's saying he's out of prison, but no like news source confirming it. The trust me bro situation, guys. Sentenced in April. By August. Yeah, makes sense. That makes sense. Well, that's the end of the 4 hour, right? Close above 60,500. I would be cautious here, guys. Back above 60,500. It's game on. But for now, just chill.
Even to post like orders as well, it's been kind of hard to post limit orders for alts especially.
Yeah, slippage is wild, huh?
Yeah, slippage is wild. Can't even post alt limits. You know?
Yeah, I agree with you.
I lost a lot of money.
Oh, you cut off. What do you think, guys? We ended off here, or oh, John's gone. We may as well just end this off here, I guess. I'm not sure if Rob's there either anymore. I just got fucking. But yeah, guys. Just before you guys leave, I'll just cover up. No, I can't hear you, Rob. Can anybody else hear Rob? Oh my god, what the fuck? All right.
Yo,
Oh shit. Okay, I'm back.
yo, you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you guys. I hear you guys. I was
I
about
don't
to
know
end
what.
off the stream. I wasn't sure if you guys are coming back.
What happened right there?
I don't know. I don't know. I noticed it was unusually silent, so I went to go check back, and there's just nobody in here.
I was talking and I couldn't. I was funny because I was talking too, and I'm like, "Hello." I'm like, "Oh yeah, I guess." I was like, "All right, I guess my thoughts suck." That's so funny.
No, I assure you. It just went silent for like a good like 3-4 minutes, and I was like,
That's so funny. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Something happened. Yeah, but I'm probably gonna get off honestly.
Yeah. Me too. We got to watch the 4 hour close. I think we discussed enough. I think a lot of stuff.
Have a good day, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Probably just be chopping until tomorrow, the Jackson Hole meeting. Yeah,
Yeah,
what
I
time is
agree.
that at? What time does that start tomorrow? Do you know?
I would assume around. Well, let me just check my calendar. Yeah, it starts around 10.
All right, cool. Perfect.
That's
Yeah, you
when
guys hear me?
that's when Powell's speaking. Speaks at 10. So
All right, that's all that
Yeah,
really
my
matters.
internet rugged me.
yeah,
All right.
well, yeah, we're gonna close the stream, Rob. So it's all good, anyways.
All right, perfect. Rug me at the end. All right, boys, been real. We'll schedule a new stream next few days, guys.
Yes, sir. And for everybody that's still watching, just a quick recap: 60,500. You want to reclaim this by the end of the day. You don't want to be trading underneath this by the end of the day. 4 hour looks kind of grimy. Just keep this in mind. We had a chance to be above 60,500, but we didn't. These are my thoughts. Just keep that in mind. For Ethereum, again, you have 2608. That's the level to reclaim by the end of the day. If not, it looks kind of grim, right? So just stay patient. We're ranging. We're chopping. If you're not getting the absolute extremes, you're just gonna constantly make stupid decisions. You're gonna pay a bunch of fees, and it's just not worth your time. So only look to execute on the extremes of the day. Try to avoid the middle unless it's giving you absolute signs that suggest upside or at least a trend reversal. And I leave you guys with that. Everything else should follow suit. Mid caps to low caps have been performing better, but that I'm not sure if that's seen more as a sign of caution than anything else. But just keep that in mind when doing your trading.
Yep,
With that
that's
being
all the
said,
alpha right
Rob,
there.
any
Love it,
last
love
thoughts
it.
from
All
your
right, my
end?
boy. Nah, that's all the thoughts there. That's everything I'm looking for as well. You pretty much summed it up.
Perfect.
Yeah, like I said, we'll tell you guys our next stream all together, probably the next couple of days. Everyone have a good weekend. Rego, have a good weekend, my bro, and we'll
You,
talk
my
soon.
friend. Perfect. All right, guys. Take care. It's been a pleasure, and we'll see you all. I got a stream tomorrow at 10 a.m. So if you guys are there, we'll see you there. Me and Pocky. Usually a good time. So just let me know. Take
I'm
care,
in the
guys.
trenches, so I definitely won't be there.
Yeah.
All right, guys, peace.
Take care.